Welcome to the new Season 2, episode 2 drama series of Breaking Bad. Walter and Jesse are kidnapped by a violent and unexpected drug distributor, Tuco Salamanca. Tuco drags them deep into the desert, planning to take them across the border into Mexico. His plan? Walt to permanently cook meth for him. Jesse is scared. Walt, however, is doing the math. Inside the remote desert shelter of Tuco Muli, the situation becomes even more dangerous. Tuco is not alone. His elder uncle, Hector, is also there. Hector cannot speak or walk, but communicates using a small bell. The air inside the house is thick with fear. Tuco is unstable, delusional, and armed. Walt realized quickly, if they don't act soon, they might not leave this place alive. Walter begins to think like a scientist and a criminal mastermind. He secretly produces a dangerous chemical that he has access to. The purpose of it? Make a big enough explosion to cause confusion, but controlled enough to survive. Meanwhile, Jesse is on edge. Every second around Tuco feels like a countdown to death. Tuco Rook's behaviors become more erratic. He suspects cheating all over the place. Even a simple conversation can turn violent. Walt sees a window of opportunity. When Toto leaves briefly, Walt puts his plan into motion. He throws out a chemical substance, which causes a loud explosion inside the house. Dust fills the air. Chaos spreads. For a moment, it works. But Tuco recovers faster than expected. Now, there's no going back. As Walt and Jesse try to escape, Tuco prepares to hang them. But something unexpected happens. Hector starts ringing his bell over and over again. Boldly, Tuco finally understands someone's coming. The police. Previously, Tuco Muli's suspicious actions attracted the attention of law enforcement. And now, officers are approaching the hideout. Among them is DEA agent Hank Schrader. Waltrux has his own brother-in-law. Tuco freaks out and grabs Jesse, dragging him outside as a hostage. There is a buzz of bullets in the desert. In a tense shootout, Hank is confronted by the lone Tuco. The confrontation is brutal and fast-paced. And that's exactly how Tuco Salamanca falls. Nightmare ends, but not clean. Walt before the police had a full crack at the scene. Jesse was rescued and questioned. Hank becomes a hero in the eyes of the DEA for taking down a dangerous cartel member. But the irony is cool. Hank has no idea how close he is to the real mastermind behind, standing in his family. Walter comes back home, pretending that nothing happened. But something has changed. He just didn't survive. He adapted. He made progress. Season 2 episode 2 shows a turning point in Breaking Bad. Walter is no longer reacting to this threat. He strategizes, takes risks, and steps deeper into the criminal world. The desert encounter with Tuco proves one thing. Walter White is no longer simply in the drug business. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch the next episode as much today and take good care of yourself. Thank you.